Hi, hello. It's 3:37 on Friday. Normally I would have my video premiering in half an hour, but we had some technical difficulties. Gonna be late with this one. This was supposed to be a really simple project, but it ended up being kind of frustrating because when I went to edit the footage, the program crashed twice after I edited the same part. So eventually I was like, okay, I'm done, and I turned off my computer and went to bed. So I tried editing it today and have finally now reached the point of the end of the video where I record my outro. Normally I also record my outros the same day as I record the rest of the video, but I ended up not really having time for it and just dealing with the program crashing and everything, so I was just like, it's not happening tonight. So it's the next day after I painted the shelf. It's right here. I also didn't record me painting the other side of it because I mean it was pretty much the same thing and it just would have been more stuff to edit, and I just didn't feel like it, honestly. But I was gonna just show you what it looked like while I did the outro and kind of talked about it. I didn't really have a plan for this at all, to be honest, and the only thing that I had in mind was that I wanted to do like skinny mushrooms that glowed. That was my plan, but I didn't know like what colors I wanted to do or anything, so I kind of just made it up as I went, and I ended up stalling a little bit because I kind of got stuck at one point on this because it wasn't looking exactly how I wanted it to look, and I was getting frustrated, so I stepped away and came back to it. But looking at it the next day, honestly, I do actually like it. But yesterday when I finished it, I was not super happy with it. But yeah, here's what it looks like up close. So it does look pretty cool. They definitely do look like they're glowing. My issue with it yesterday, why I didn't like it, was it does look very different from when I started, and it felt kind of messy to me. It felt like there was too much going on. But today, looking at it again, I do kind of like it. It does look a little bit messy, but it's not like as frustrating as it was to me yesterday. And this other side, the other mushroom, is kind of a little bit simpler, and I really didn't spend as much time on this side as I did on the other side. You could probably tell, honestly. But the concept is there, the idea is there, the colors are there, and most importantly, it glows under blacklight. I didn't really want to make these glow under blacklight because I didn't really want these to stand out as much as like the mushrooms and stuff. I also don't have a pink blacklight reactive paint, so that's another thing, and I didn't really want to use like an orange or I don't know, I felt like the colors I had didn't really match. And then these dots on here were kind of just like a last minute decision. It's a cute little detail and it adds a little bit to the front. I don't know, I like it. This shelf, actually, I painted the outside black a while ago. It was gray originally. I got it from the store that I work at and it was on clearance one day, so I snagged it. But yeah, it's been sitting on that easel off to the side here for months after I painted it black, because at first I was gonna end it there and just be done with the black, but Devin suggested that I add something like some mushrooms on the side or something like that, and I couldn't decide what I wanted to do with it, so it's just been sitting there. So finally decided to do another painting video and to finish this cat shelf, and we can finally hang it and put some knickknacks on it, so that's kind of exciting. The funny thing is though, in the instructions with the like screw or hook it comes with, it says to hang it this way, but Devin and I both agreed that it looks better with the ears like towards the back instead of the front. And like I like it more like this because it like looks more like a cat head, you know, it has like more dimension. I don't really know why you would want to hang it like this, to be honest. Anyway, so yeah, hopefully today we can hang it up and have it be ready for our little solstice get together with some friends, so that'll be cool. But yeah, thankfully the day after I am a lot happier with it than I was last night when I finished it, so that's good. That's why also it's good sometimes to walk away from your art and then come back to it, because sometimes it could get frustrating if it seems like everything you're doing is coming out wrong and it's just like your brain feels like mush. Just step away, come back a couple hours later, come back the next day, come back whenever you need to come back to it, and it always comes out better the next time you get back to it, in my experience. I'm glad I'm finally getting this video done, because oh my god, this was a whole ordeal for no reason. It just, my computer does not have a lot of memory on it, and I think that's the main reason why I was having that issue, but I deleted some files and it was still crashing, so yeah, today I came back and deleted a whole bunch of stuff, or rather moved it and deleted it. I have a 1 terabyte backup drive and I back up all my YouTube projects onto that and anything that I don't want on this computer. But yeah, my computer does not have a lot of memory, so it's kind of an issue. Other than that, it's a great, it's a laptop. It's an MSI laptop. Other than that, it's great. I love it. But yeah, I pretty often have to move stuff around, back stuff up, delete stuff. It's frustrating. Yeah, but if my computer wasn't running out of memory, I probably wouldn't have those crashing issues yesterday and the video would be done by now. But anyway, we're not going to talk about that. It's done now. Yay! Happy times. Great. Okay, I'm kind of tired, sorry. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave me a like, and if you have any questions or comments or anything, don't be shy, leave me a comment. And if this is your first time watching, make sure you subscribe to see more artsy content, because I do all kinds of stuff: painting, makeup, fashion, hair dye, everything art. That's, this channel is everything art. Anyway, if you like art, subscribe. Okay, thanks for watching again. I hope you have an amazing day, and I hope your computer doesn't crash, and all your dreams come true, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.